Hey there, folks! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online money making. Let's face it, making money is tough. It's even tougher when you're working for someone else. But with the right knowledge and strategies, you can make a significant income from the comfort of your own home. Firstly, let's talk about freelancing. The beauty of freelancing is that you can set your own rates and choose your projects. There are many platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that connect skilled professionals with potential clients. You can offer services like writing, designing, programming, or even virtual assistant work to earn money online. Remember, to succeed in this field, you need dedication and a strong portfolio to showcase your skills. Secondly, e-commerce might be for you if you have a product or a service that you think can sell worldwide. With platforms like Shopify and Amazon selling products worldwide, it has never been easier to sell your product online than it is today. You can start by creating an online store for your product or service using Shopify or a similar platform, and then promote your product globally through Amazon, Etsy, or other marketplaces. Lastly, affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission every time someone buys through your unique link. The key here is to choose the right products from reputable companies and drive traffic to them using SEO or social media marketing strategies. Remember, making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication and hard work just like any regular job would require. So pick one of these options that suits you best and get started on your journey towards financial independence today. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such useful content. Until next time, keep hustling!
Hey there, fellow Internet Explorers. I'm your guide on our journey to discover new ways to make money online. Firstly, let's be aware of the scams and schemes out there. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes that promise instant wealth. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, what are some legitimate ways to make money online? Point 1. Freelancing through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you earn money by offering your skills, such as writing, programming, or graphic design. Point 2. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can grow your income stream. Point 3. Online tutoring is another option. Platforms like Vipkid let you teach students from around the world while sitting in the comfort of your home. For creating and selling digital products like books or courses can help you share your knowledge and expertise with others while making money in the process. Point 5. Participating in surveys or testing websites can also provide some extra cash for your efforts. Remember, it takes time and patience to build an online income stream, so don't expect instant results. Focus on building a solid foundation first before expanding into other avenues of income generation online. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online and other interesting topics. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.